Hi guys, welcome to topic 6.3 Manage Communication. Communication is an essential element in project management. The benefit of managed communication process in project management is that it allows efficient communication flow among team members as well as the stakeholders. However, what works best for us does not necessarily work best for our stakeholders. We all absorb information differently. Some of us are more visual than others and want to see charts and graphs. Others prefer to listen to others communicate the information to them through a presentation or in a meeting, and yet others want information prior to review and analyze on their own and then to speak with someone about what they have read. When we plan our communication upfront, we enable good communication for improving the effectiveness of communication overall, including frequency and quality, keeping individuals engaged in the initiative through open communication, getting stakeholders involved in communications through enabling for more effective two-way conversation. When we do a poor job communicating with other stakeholders or even with poor project teams, we have a tremendous impact on the success of our project. Poor team communication results in conflicts between members due to lack of clarity, lack of commitment on the part of project team members in accomplishing the work of the project. It also misses deadlines due to misunderstanding among project goals and objectives. Poor stakeholder communication, on the other hand, results in limited buy-in and commitment. Basically, when we don't have enough adequate communication with our stakeholders, their inputs are very limited and hence they cannot commit to everything that we discuss with them. It probably ends up into conflicts between project teams and stakeholders because there is lack of communication and clarity. This eventually leads to failed projects. So guys, it's very important to have proper communication with your stakeholders. Keep them updated with the progress of the project and all possible changes that come during the life cycle of the project. So guys, this brings you to the end of topic 6.3. Thank you.